Okay, so far I managed to open covers and hard drive sitting right there. We're gonna work on this. Still waiting for Bravo Tools. Thank you. Old laptop looks what tools I'm using. That's the way it should come out. Anyway, almost there. And then we need to work with this. Here I can change memory cards as well. And I've been running old computers since what I have 2008. Okay, got it out and pretty quick. That's the one here, right? And I'm gonna put this one in. 500 gig, yay! I mean this one, sorry. Look at that baby. What is it? Well, okay, we'll check it out. Anyway, looks like it's easy. Maybe I don't need tools at all. Thank you. Well, I still need this case, right? So I'm gonna unscrew it with my... Oh, they're missing one. Okay, we'll work on it now. Okay, all screws are out. Look at this, it's so dusty and old. Can't focus. iPhone 5s camera. Oh, sometimes good. Anyway, unscrewed. I'm gonna take this off. Let me test it. And this one, and where was it? 60 gig, and I don't really know what's the speed here. But we're going, it was gateway computer, and I'm going to put this on from my Sony Ps4. I installed there 1 terabyte and there's 500 gig. We're gonna put there, format it, and way to go. Put some memory over here. It'll be not bad. Okay. Here I go. I already put it. It's like same identical, right? I'm gonna screw it, put it back, and we'll see. By the way, I started doing it while I'm waiting for a internet guy to show up and fix my internet. I lost connection. I decided to just change it quick. Okay, 500 gig hard drive is on. Now I'm gonna put it in there, push it in, and then with those two sockets stick it there and they'll hold. Okay, I pushed in gently with this knife. Now I'm gonna put those suckers in there. Excuse my French. Suckers. Okay, those are secure. I don't have memory right now to put it in there. And I don't have internet yet. Now I'm thinking, I don't have Windows. What should I do? This guy has. No. Oh well. We'll see. Now I need to format all of this so I can have laptop. I have a Chrome box there. Right there. Ps4 is there. TV, and we're gonna have a laptop. Now everything is set up, hardware is done, now just software we have to format, and I'm gonna